This video is for the order management process. The process begins with an RFP or a request for proposal being made. This proposal will then be sent to the vendor who will review it, determine if it can be filled, and add additional information such as price, documents, and shipping information. After they submit the updated proposal, the requester will be asked to review and confirm the proposal, agreeing to the terms. If they agree, the vendor will be asked to begin a PO request. If not, the vendor will be informed and asked to review the reason for non-acceptance. To begin, a customer will create a request for proposal from the vendor. They will fill out the contact information, the RFP information like the company name, the dates needed, and a description of the request. They will then fill out a table with the exact items that they're requesting and the quantities of said items. At submission, the vendor will receive an email asking them to review and complete the new RFP. The vendor will then review and add the additional information, the prices of the items, any needed documents or proposals, and the shipping availability. This will then be submitted back to the requester. In the last step, the requester will review the prices, documents, and availability of products and accept the terms or not. If they accept, the vendor will receive an email to move forward with a purchase order. If not, they'll be asked to explain why, and the vendor can contact them further as needed to resolve the issue.